It starts with something as simple as spring cleaning. You open a shed, sweep out a cabin, or move an old box. But in the dust you're kicking up, an invisible passenger might be hitching a ride. This is hantavirus, a rare but life-threatening family of viruses that bridges the gap between the wild and the home. What is hantavirus? Hantaviruses are zoonotic, meaning they jump from animals to humans. Specifically, they live in rodents like deer mice, cotton rats, and rice rats. Unlike many viruses, hantavirus doesn't make the rodent sick. Instead, the animal sheds the virus in its saliva, urine, and droppings. When these dry out and are stirred into the air, humans can breathe them in. This is called aerosolization. Depending on where you are in the world, the virus strikes differently. In the Americas, we see HPS, hantavirus pulmonary syndrome. It's a fierce respiratory disease with a fatality rate as high as 40%. It literally fills the lungs with fluid, making it impossible to breathe. In Europe and Asia, it often manifests as AFIRS, hemorrhagic fever with renal syndrome. This version attacks the kidneys and can cause internal bleeding. The sneaky part? The early symptoms look exactly like the flu. Fever, severe muscle aches, especially in the thighs and back, headache, and fatigue. But after about 4 to 10 days, the late stage hits. For HPS, this means a sudden onset of shortness of breath and a dry cough. In recent 2026 reports, medical professionals emphasize that once respiratory distress begins, the disease progresses with terrifying speed, often within 24 hours. Treatment is limited to supportive care, like intubation in an ICU, because there is no specific cure or vaccine. That makes prevention your only real shield. If you're cleaning a space where rodents have been, stop the broom. Never sweep or vacuum. This just puts the virus into the air you breathe. Wet it down. Use a mixture of bleach and water to soak the area for 5 minutes. This kills the virus on contact. Mask up. Use gloves and, if possible, an N95 mask. Seal the entry. Close up holes the size of a dime to keep the hosts out of your home. Hantavirus is a reminder that our environment is shared. By staying vigilant and cleaning smart, we can keep the hidden guest out of our lungs and out of our lives. Stay safe. Stay informed.